Hello folks, today we're doing a commercial building inspection on a steel frame building, and I wanted to share with you some of the things that you want to kind of look at. And what we're looking at here is that I am on the south side of the building. You want to try to catch the side that actually is going to catch the most weather in our area. That's it. But I wanted to share with you too, see how my bolts are starting to rust. They're still in good shape, but you want to make sure that they were treated because they'll be taken care of, so you don't want them to rust out. And you also see, because of some of the moisture content and such, we're getting a little bit of rusting, but everything looks really good. But that's what you want to be looking for. You want to be looking for on the other side, on the side that gets the most damage, most weather. This is what you want to make sure that is being taken care of, and our fasteners are good to go. Thank you for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe. Appreciate all the help we can get. You all have a great day. Thank you.